Hello, friends. Today I am here to talk about why do we go through the same emotion again and again. So recently, somebody asked me, why do we get angry every time when we know the consequences are not supportive or favorable? So let me tell you today through a case study here. So there was this client who came to me a few days back, and she has been going through issues like a lot of demotivation, lack of energy, and not liking to do anything. In short, she said मन खराब है, कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता. So the first thing that I could assess naturally was that there was something that was not going right with her, and there was something that was not going as per her wish or desire. So I asked her, "Are you angry at someone, or are you going through anger issues?" So she said spontaneously, "No, no, no, I don't get angry. I prefer to keep silent whenever somebody talks about that I don't like." So there was this immediate feeling that I got that when we do this for a very long time and we suppress our authentic emotions, we do not acknowledge our authentic emotions or how we are feeling. After some time, these emotions may transform into uh, depletion of energy and motivation. So I asked her to narrate any recent incident where she has been feeling like this more. So she narrated like she was a week ago, she was talking to her friend, and her friend said something to her which she didn't like. And the same thing she has been telling her again and again, but she has kept silent on that. But that day was kind of a last straw on the camel's back, and she reciprocated to her friend in a very angry mood and very rude manner about which she was feeling guilty about. So since then, she said that my friend has stopped talking to me, and I'm not liking it, and I don't feel like doing anything, and I'm feeling lack of motivation in general in my life. So when I asked her to elaborate what actually happened, she said she's been talking about my skin for a very long time, and I have been keeping silent without giving her any answer. But then at the back of the mind, it was getting, converted into irritation and frustration. So that day when she said it again, I really fired at her and told her to keep quiet, and she just left from there. So I asked her, "What happens to you? What happened to you in that moment? How did you feel when she was saying this to you?" She said, "I felt really angry at her, and she keeps talking about my skin every time, which she knows I don't like." And she said, "मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था उस पर." So she ultimately admitted that she was really angry, not only angry, but there was rage within her. The point is, I'm not trying to defend her anger or her rage, but my only message to you today is on this mental health day that be true to yourself at least, embrace your authentic emotion, acknowledge it. Only then you can transform your emotion into a very positive emotion. As long as you keep denying your emotion and how you feel, it could be anything, it could be anger, it could be jealousy, it could be insecurity, it could be sadness, it could be fear, any kind of emotion. If you are going through, be honest with yourself at least. You are not going to if you are not going to uh, be dishonest to the world if you at least be honest with yourself. So that's it on this day. Thank you so much.